Welcome to a quick demonstration of Sierra Infinity. In this video, I will be giving a brief demonstration of the Profiled Winds feature. I have set up two identical bullets. I will leave the first bullet alone to show the impact of the changes. Start by selecting the second bullet by clicking on it. Go to the Environment page to find the Profiled and Field Winds controls. The Sighted section is used to enter the conditions when you are zeroing your firearm, and the Variation section is used to enter the conditions when you are in the field. The default winds are set with a zero velocity wind at the zero range. This will have no effect on the calculations if left alone. The most important part of the control is the bright yellow wind indicator. You can think of this as a weather vane, since the arrow will point into the wind. This control has four parts. The arrowhead indicates the direction from which the wind is coming. The circle indicates the range the wind will take effect. The rectangle to the side indicates the vertical velocity. The shaft of the arrow indicates the horizontal velocity with flags. One full flag represents 10 miles per hour in English mode. You can change the direction by either entering a number in the direction box or by clicking and dragging the arrowhead to the direction you want to set. You can change the vertical velocity by either entering a number in the vertical box or by clicking and dragging the rectangle box to the side. You can change the range of any wind except for the zero range wind by either entering the range in the box or by dragging the circle. The Profiled Winds allows entry of several winds along the path of the bullet. This is useful when you are shooting long range where the winds change along the path to the target. Press the plus button to add another wind. By default, it will be added at 100 yards downrange from the last wind. The red dot indicates which wind is currently being edited. You can change which wind you are editing by clicking the control or using the selection buttons at the bottom of the control. For an extreme example, I will set the zero range wind to 3 o'clock at 3 miles an hour by entering the data into the text boxes. Then I will select the second wind and enter a wind at 9 o'clock with a speed of 5 miles per hour. So that you can see what the field winds look like, I will enter the exact opposite winds in that section. First, I will set the zero wind to 9 o'clock with a wind of 5 miles per hour. Next, I will add a new wind at 100 yards and set it to 3 o'clock at 3 miles per hour. Taking a look at the charts page, you can now see the effect of this wind. The fourth button on the left side selects the wind charts. Let's go back to the Environment page for a summary of the wind controls. The arrow shows you the direction, range, and velocity of the entered winds. The current wind selected for editing will be yellow with a red circle. The four buttons on the right side of the control allow you to scroll and zoom to see different ranges. The four text boxes at the bottom allow you to enter data for the range, direction, horizontal velocity, and vertical velocity. The vertical velocity is where the wind is coming from below using positive numbers or from above using negative numbers. The bottom buttons allow you to add additional winds, remove selected winds, hide the arrows to make it easier to alter close winds, select the next wind, and select the previous wind. This concludes the demonstration of the Profiled Winds of Infinity 7. Thank you for watching.